Hello, Eco DIY lovers! Welcome back to my channel. The weather is getting warmer and spring flowers are blooming along the roadside. Looking at the wildflowers, I noticed the change of seasons and realize again the world is beautiful. Flowers make us happy, but why? I think we fall in love with flowers while we are looking at them. And love allows us to forget past regrets and future anxieties. So we can fully enjoy the peaceful present moment and be happy. Looking at the flowers reminds me of the pressed flowers I made last year. Today, I will make a lovely tea light using pressed flowers. If you don't know how to make pressed flowers, check out the link in this video description or click here. Choose the pressed flowers you want to use. I made these last autumn. Although half a year has passed, the pressed flowers are surprisingly still in good condition. Today I'm going to use these coin and lace and heather pressed flowers. We will make a glue solution to attach the flowers and to use as a varnish at the end. Mix 2 hobby glue and 1 water. Brush a thin layer of hobby glue solution on the glass jar. Apply it all over the jar so there won't be any glue marks after drying. Lay the pressed flowers on the surface. Let dry for 1 hour. Again, brush a thin layer of hobby glue solution carefully over the flowers. This will help the flowers stick and keep them from fading by absorbing the moisture in the air. Let dry for 1 hour. Wrap a colorful yarn or hemp cord around the mouth of the bottle. I will use this hemp cord to give it a more natural and nice decorative finish. This can be used as a pretty mood lamp or a decorative tea light. Enjoy it, love it, be happy, and live in the present. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and set an alarm and support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.